Hi, this is Umar from Areterix Technologies, and today I'm going to show you a demo of an inventory application. Today we are going to cover these points: product list view, product creation, inventory in of the product, inventory out of the product, and internal transfer of goods or assets between departments, that is issuing goods to someone belonging to a particular department. So let's begin. This is a dashboard view. Let's first quickly go to the product section and see. So these are the basic products which have the inventory. Let me quickly group by the products with the category. So yeah, I know these are the assets. These are the edible items, that is biscuits, dairy products, groceries, right? Let me create a quick product. Let's say we create a bread, and let's put it into the category of dairy units. Yeah, that's it. So we have created product as a bread. Right now let me just do a quick refresh. So the bread is here and it doesn't have any quantity right now. So let us take the bread in the inventory. So what we are going to do is we will go to the operations, transfers. Let's create. So we have different kinds of contacts created. So let's say we'll go to this provision store and we'll market goods in to the warehouse, and we'll select bread. Let's say 10 numbers. That's it. We just need to save it and validate the quantity. So now the done quantity has been updated here. We can create an in the source document we can put an invoice number if you want. If you want to attach some invoice, we can just add an attachment we can just scan the copy and attach it. Let's go to the product section quickly again and see the inventory for the breads. Let's group by dairy products, bread. Yeah, so there is 10 quantity that we have in our stock. Now let's say the kitchen wants to consume some items from here. So let's go to the again transfers, create. Let's say I have tagged a guy called K Imran, that is Kitchen Imran. We'll say goods out because he will be consuming, and the location is obviously the store or the stock which I have created right now. Let's see, I'll consume some bread. Let's say 2 breads, and then we'll consume some milk. Let's say 3 liters of milk. So automatically the unit of measurement will be updated. So let's say some butter, 2 quantities, some cheese, right, 3 quantities. Alright, that's it. Now we just need to save it. Again, you can have some source document as like request number 555. Just save it, mark as to do. So once this is marked as to do, so it's like the person is requesting for the inventory. Alright, so when you go into the overview here, you will see that there is one waiting product that he has requested. When we go here, it will show us it will show us that these products are the requested product that the person has requested. We'll just check the availability. It shows available, so now they are reserved, and once I validate it, they will be deducted from our inventory and they will be consumed to the kitchen. So let's quickly go back to the products group by product category, and let's see the dairy products. Okay, so bread, it's 8. We bought 10 quantities, now they are in 8. Each of these quantity have been reduced. Alright, now let's see, we want to transfer some assets, so again we are going to do the transfer. So yeah, in the assets section we have Almirah, we have Almirah, chairs and tables. So we have 9, 36 and 19 quantities in stock right now. Now we want to transfer it to some department. Some department has requested Almirah, chair and tables, so let's transfer it to a department. Let's do again a create. So let's say Mr. A. Mirza has asked for some table, chairs and Almirah, so we're going to select internal transfer. We're going to select the source location, so obviously they are in the store, and destination location. So let's say he is into the media department, so we are going to select the media department here. We are going to select chair. Let's say he requested 4 quantities of chairs, and table 1 quantity, and again Almirah 1 quantity. Okay, that's it. Again we just need to confirm it, save, mark as to do. So now when an internal transfer is requested, alright, so now before it gets fulfilled, it will be showed as internal transfer, which will be waiting. We can select a schedule date as to when it needs to be fulfilled. So we can select a future date, so it will be displayed in the, let's say we selected as 15 here, save it. So now here in the overview section, it won't show us late, it just shows us waiting, that this order is waiting to be processed. Now once we say check availability, and if they are in quantity, they will be reserved. Right, let's see the status again. It says 1 to process. So now the quantities are reserved for the transfer, and it says 1 to process. So now the guy who is responsible, he will know what he needs to do, and once the quantities are transferred to the particular department, we just need to validate it. Apply, and yes, that's it. The quantities are transferred. So now let's again see the inventory. So now Almirah was 9, it's 8. Chairs are again reduced to 4 quantities, and tables were 19 and it has been reduced to 18. So this is how you can manage your complete inventory, and I'll show you some basic reports. So let's say we go to an inventory report, right, and so here it will show you that the Almirah has been issued to the media department and how many quantities are in stock. So 2 Almirahs has been issued to the media department and 8 are in stock. Right, again let's see where are the tables. So yeah, 2 tables are issued to the media department, and then you can have a graph view here, so it will show you, let me just group by some product. Alright, I'll show you later. So let's say these chairs we have 32 in quantity and 8 have been, so there were total 40 in quantity and 8 have been issued to the media department. Again, Almira, 8 were total, 10 were there and 8 are in stock and 2 are issued to the media department. The same way, the different like consumables, as they are consumed, they won't show how much have been consumed. It will just show you how much they are in stock. If something is issued to some other department, it will again reflect here that these are in quantity and it has been issued to some other department. Let's quickly see again and do a transfer so you get a better idea how it shows. Let's issue something to another department. Let's say the kitchen guy needs something and it's an internal transfer to, let's say, HRD department, and let's say he needs a table 1 and 2 chairs. Right, let's quickly confirm everything, check availability. Alright, result, they are available. Let's validate it. Alright, that's it, done. Let's go back inventory and let's look into the graph. Yeah, so now it says 40 were in stock, now 30 are in stock, 2 issued to the HRD, 8 issued to the media. Again, your tables, 1 is issued to the HRD and 2 issued to the, so that is how you will be able to have a look. You can have various different types of charts and graphs. You can just filter the data you want. You can click and it will just remove that graphs. Yeah, the same way you can have, so you can even download the data into the Excel format. So you can just click here and it gets downloaded into the Excel format. You can have various types of filters, like internal location, the stock that is on hand. It will just show you that if there is a negative stock, so like sometimes it happens that the stock gets into negative, so it will show you that also. So right now no internal location stock, negative stock is there, positive stock, yes, everything is positive. You can have, if there is a reserved quantity, it will show you that right now there is no reserved quantity. So these are different kinds of reports that you can work on. You can go through it. It will also give you a report that which product, which goods have been issued to which department, right? So like issued to HRD, so there are 2 chairs that have been issued to HRD department, issued to media department 8 chairs. So this is how you can get a complete report. So this is a basic inventory function. I'll show you some different configuration setting also as to where you can set different kinds of more locations. So let's see the locations. So here you can configure multiple departments for yourself. So these are the internal locations. These are the different product categories, so which you can create it. So like I have created few, like groceries, dairies, biscuits, assets. You can configure it here. These are the unit of measurement categories, so you can configure the way you want. If there is anything else you would like to know, do let me know and we can discuss on call. Thank you so much.